Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Hotmail privacy settings problems in 2026. So if your account visibility settings, email privacy options, or security controls are not working correctly, yeah, this guide will help you fix everything step by step. First, sign into your Microsoft account and open the privacy dashboard. This is where you control how your data is used and stored. Next, check your activity history and data settings. So make sure nothing unusual is being tracked or shared without your permission. Now go to your Outlook or Hotmail email settings. Check sharing, forwarding, and visibility settings carefully. If you see any unnecessary sharing options enabled, turn them off. This helps protect your personal data from being shared with apps or services. So yeah, review connected apps and third-party access. Remove anything you don't trust or no longer use. Finally, update your security settings. Enable two-step verification and review recent sign-in activity for better protection. And that's how to fix Hotmail privacy settings problems in 2026. Once your privacy controls, permissions, and security settings are properly configured, your account will be much safer and more private. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more Hotmail and Outlook tutorials.